So here we go. This is the page. That's the TV, your smart TV, and the brand is the Hisense. So this smart TV, they have their own apps, which is this is not the Android version. You cannot install Google Play Store, but a lot of things they already installed here. So of course, to get to this page, you have to log in the Google account, and then you get this page. And a lot of the apps are pre-installed and all are very useful. But anyway, you cannot install the Google Play Store. If you want to install the Google Play Store and like the Android, you must have the Android box separately. You need to purchase. There is no Android version on here, so they use a VDDA. This is their versions are different. So they are out there in the market. A lot of the Android box you can purchase. That would be depends on the grade, depends on the brand. If you get more higher price, then you get more higher quality. So far, this is very clear, and a lot of the apps are very useful. So here for the kids, a movie, and you even can have all the newses, which are the free. So if you go to the YouTube here, so far this is very clear. Alright, so this is my experience to share you that this Hisense TV is not, the Hisense Smart TV is not Android, so you must have extra Android box. Alright. So thank you guys.